Are you preparing to take a OCPJP 8 certification exam? Consider testing yourself along the way. The Oracle Certification Practice Exams by MyExamCloud are designed to help you gauge your overall understanding of Java SE8 programming concepts. The MyExamCloud's Oracle OCPJP 8 certification practice exams offer convenient testing options. Quiz mode allows you to request the correct answer and explanation of each question during the test. And each question has own time limit. Mock exam closely simulates the actual time test environment you will encounter when taking a certification exam. And study notes lets you learn core Java concepts from the scratch. All mode of exam provides score reports at the end of each exam to help you identify your strengths and weaknesses. Build your confidence by using the MyExamCloud certification practice exams. The MyExamCloud, your exam preparation mentor.